front of me is INFINIX Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this plus at the bottom left corner, and to add a video file, select the video. Then click on any video from your device and wait. To add a voice file though, you need to click on voice over here. And unfortunately, you can't add already existing one, but you can record it and add it right away. To do that, hold this microphone, record, and when you're finished, let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!